Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I will show you how to fix missing audio waveform in Adobe Premiere Pro. I am going to walk you through 3 simple and effective methods to fix this issue. So let's dive right in. The process is pretty much the same in both Mac and Windows. First, go to the top left corner Edit menu. A menu will appear. From the menu, click on Preferences. Once you're in the Preferences menu, click on the Audio tab. Now, make sure the box labeled Generate Waveform Automatically During Import is checked. This will ensure that every time you import new media, Premiere Pro will generate the waveforms automatically. We have to make sure Premiere Pro is set up to generate waveforms automatically during import. This won't fix the problem you're experiencing right now, but it will prevent it from happening again in the future. Great! Now that we have that set up, let's move on to the actual fixes for your current missing waveforms. The first method is super simple and often overlooked. We're going to make sure that the audio waveform display is turned on in your timeline. Go ahead and locate the wrench icon at the left corner of your timeline panel. Click on it. And from the drop-down menu, click on Show Audio Waveform. In many cases, this will instantly bring back your missing waveforms. It's a quick and easy fix. But if that didn't solve the problem, don't worry. We've got more solutions coming up. Click on the top clip section. A menu will show up. From there, click on Generate Audio Waveform. If this step doesn't solve your issue, don't worry, we have more solutions. The next thing we can try is resetting your workspace. Sometimes the layout you're working with might cause display issues, including missing waveforms. To do this, head over to the window menu at the top of your screen. Then select Workspaces. And finally, click on Reset to Saved Layout. This will revert your workspace to its default settings, which can often resolve minor glitches. If resetting your workspace didn't bring back the waveform, there's still one more trick you can try. Finally, let's try clearing the media cache. Sometimes Premiere Pro's cache files can cause issues, and clearing them out can fix the problem. To do this, go back to the Preferences menu like we did earlier. Click on Edit section. Then you have to click on Preferences. But this time, select Media Cache. Once you're in, click on the Delete button next to Delete All Media Cache Files. This will clear out the old cache files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the cache, save your project, close Premiere Pro, and then reopen it. With any luck, your audio waveforms will be back where they belong. And that's how you fix missing audio waveform in Adobe Premiere Pro. 3 easy methods to bring back those missing audio waveforms in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.